So gang, last time it went through a cheap $3 car wash and it did a really mediocre job, which I guess is to be expected for $3. But right now we're heading out to Quack car wash to get the fully loaded package, which costs about $15 for their Lucky Duck special. So let's see if that one does any better. But first, let's take a look at how dirty the car is. It's not too dirty, although we do have some bird droppings. We got some bird droppings. I think we had a little bit more bird droppings. I don't even know where it came from because it's just clear skies. Looks like they just flew on over and did their business right above the car specifically. Everything else looks pretty good, just really a bunch of dust everywhere. That's basically what you can expect living in Arizona, but it's looking all right. We got a nice shine here, even though it's dirty, so that ceramic coat is definitely doing its job. So now we're gonna head out and see how clean this car gets for $15. Okay, let's see if we can take this route. No. All right, so we're heading over to the car wash right now. I wanted to see if we could take the roundabout because there's a lot of lines, and it did a good job at first, but then it got confused. But right now we're gonna pull up to the Quack car wash. Quack car wash. Say that like 20 times fast. I don't know if you can. But let's pull in. It looks like it's not that busy. That's good. Oh, there's a guy out here flipping a sign around though. Oh, they wear bow ties and stuff here. That's pretty cool. All right, so let's pull on inside. Okay. This one's actually a really new car wash. They opened up about a month ago, I think. They still got their flags up and everything. So we're gonna go through here, get their Lucky Duck car wash, which is their most expensive car wash, which I think is $15. It might be $16. It's one of those. But, you know, let's see if it's better than the $3 car wash, see if it scratches anything. And remember, what we're gonna do is we're gonna have to make sure our windshield wipers are off. And then we're gonna fold in our mirrors, and you can actually set it to location so the mirrors will automatically fold in when you go to this location. So I'm gonna do that before we head inside. Let me just pull up here. Okay, looks like you have to actually wait for the person. Okay. Hi. Good, thank you.
Checked in.
Look what I got. Wipe.
Alright. Any air fresheners or anything else?
No, I'm good.
And then, are you really a YouTuber, dude?
Wait, it went around here already?
Yeah, like, he was like, you know what he does? I was like, I don't know.
Yeah.
So what do you like? What do you stream like?
I have a bunch of channels. Like I have like an entertainment channel, a vlog channel, an eating channel. This is like one of my shirts for the eating channel. So that's proof right here. And I started a Tesla channel too. Like,
really?
Why not?
No, because she gave it
a review channel.
It's a YouTube channel. I was like, what?
And on the back I have my Instagram on the window.
Oh snap! I didn't even notice it. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, I think
though.
I need to get a bigger one. I don't think a lot of people notice it.
No, you have people that come in and they have like their whole Instagram thing on the side window.
Okay, I was thinking about putting it. I gotta put it all around, make it visible.
Just wrap
I just don't want it to look too tacky, you know.
Nah, dude, do what you gotta do.
Right.
That's pretty
true.
cool though.
Yeah.
All right,
have a good one. Thank you. All right, so we're checked in. So we're gonna go to the mirrors. We're gonna we're gonna fold the mirrors and then auto fold the mirrors at this location. So that way they always fold when we come to this spot. That way we don't have to keep doing it every time. Now I wish you could do that for the windshield wipers too, although that doesn't really seem like a feature you would need except for car washes. So maybe just a car wash mode. So let's pull in here, see if we can get in here straight. Okay, so we can get in here. They're spraying it with some bug juice to get the bugs off. Okay, we made it in here. All right, perfect. Now let's go through here. Let's get the backup camera on. And I don't know if you guys heard the conversation, but last time I was here, the girl was asking me what I did, and she said she liked the car. I heard some grinding this time. I didn't hear that last time. Why do I hear that? I'm not sure what that is. Maybe it's just her track. But last time it was perfectly good. I guess I didn't hit the track perfectly this time. But look at this. We got this nice psychedelic foam. We got all this going on. It's definitely better than the other one, although we did pay a lot of money for this one, you know? But yeah, they know I'm a YouTuber now, and they're like, oh, I didn't know that. So it got around here. That's pretty crazy. It's like high school. Rumors and news just spreads like wildfire. Oh, look at that. All right. Obviously, I gotta snap this. looks like we're coming up to the tire shine. What are we at right now? Oh, we're at the rain repeller. So I guess that's what's putting on our windows right now. So hopefully that works, because it is gonna be raining all week starting tonight. So not the best time to come get a car wash, but I got the unlimited plan right now, you know? And then we got the tire shine going on right here. And as well as the big air dryer blow. Whoa, what the hell's going on in the back? Tells us to go, we got the green light, we're gonna hit the brake, go into drive, and then we can pull on out. This is supposed to have a spot-free rinse, so you can just drive off without it leaving watermarks, although I've never had that experience actually work, so I always dry it off a bit at the end to make sure there's no water spots. Although I haven't actually tried to just leave, so maybe if I just drove away it would work, but I don't know. Even when I dry it, I can see the water drying on it, so I'm not sure if that actually works. One day I'll try it though, because I mean, unlimited washes, might as well just, you know, try things out for free. I mean, the windshield's actually pretty clean. And the mirrors I'm not sure how that does that. The mirrors always automatically unfold after I leave the car wash. I don't know if it's just because the car wash made them unfold, like with the power of the brushes or the cloth brushes, whatever they're called, I don't know. Or if they just know to unfold. That's kind of weird, I'm not sure. Maybe once you go past a certain speed. But they unfolded, everything's back to normal. We can put our wipers back onto auto. I hate that it does that, because I mean the windshield's dry, but we got them on auto now, so we're back in business. So once it starts raining tomorrow, we'll be good to go. But let's take a look at how well the car wash did. All right, so without any drying or anything, just stepping out here, we do have some water left, which is supposed to dry and just disappear. But other than the water that's left over, it actually looks relatively clean. Like, look at that shine. Okay, I see you, okay. Look at this, it looks super shiny, super clean. Tires aren't as shiny as I would like, but I have my own tire shine for that. But definitely did a good job, way better than that other one, because I was drying the other one for $3 and it kept drying the soap on the sign right here, which is annoying. But right now, this is looking good. Just gotta get off the watermark.